Okay, there's the front of my house, and this part of the cul-de-sac is actually in pretty good shape finally. Although it took them 3 days for the first plow, so this part, I guess, the neighbors came out and we got together and shoveled it down. But here's where it gets tricky. Now it's just coming out. This is about a 10-degree upslope, but it quickly turns the corner here and gets nasty. Yeah, especially with somebody coming. See, that is hard frozen right there. He's gonna wait on me, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, I'm spinning. Here we go. Okay. So we made it up that time because there were a few dry spots along the way to hold on to, and it was hard frozen. But if it's slushy at all, you can forget about it. Alright, let's turn in on to Appaloosa, which is a horrible road. Our tax dollars at work here. Look at this crap. This is a week after the big snow, and there's still 6, 8, 10-inch potholes of snow. I mean, how hard would it be to make, one trip down here to the snow pile to get down to the blacktop? As long as nobody's coming, I can go over to the left side here. So here's where the bottom of my car hits right there. This is going up another hill. Man, what a pothole this is. Toto, I don't think we're in Virginia anymore. This must be Alaska. Now, this is a very dangerous intersection because this hard freeze. This is going downhill to the stop sign right here. And many people, including me, have just slid right through this into the median. Okay, here we go. Good to go on Springwoods.